Hey y'all, today's video is going to be a nighttime skincare routine / get unready with me video, so if you want to see how I do my nighttime skincare routine, just keep on watching. Today's video is actually due to this brand named Duval who sent me their Radiant Skincare System to try out on my channel, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to use it during my get unready with me. So if you would like to purchase this product after you see how it works in this video, I have the code DAWNAME2019 that you can use at checkout at duval.com. So if you're interested in that, I highly recommend using it because it takes the product down from $95 to almost $30. So it's definitely a steal. So now that I've told you guys about the Radiant Skincare System, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. There are 4 different attachments. The facial cleansing brush and the facial exfoliation brush are the 2 that I'm going to be using in this video, but they also have a large body cleansing brush and a pumice stone. So you get a variety here with this product. So now I'm going to go in with some cleansing spa water cloths or makeup remover wipes by the brand Kojendo. It really doesn't matter what brand you get them from. I usually use some 99-cent ones, but I got these in my BoxyCharm, so shout out to BoxyCharm for these $30 makeup remover wipes. So I'm just going to be taking off my makeup so that it'll be easier to clean throughout the process of my nighttime skincare routine. It's really important to take off the makeup before you actually go in with your facial cleanser, because that's what's going to really help get all of that off of your face, ultimately helping your face be so much cleaner at the end of this process. So next up, I'm going to be going in with this Gentle Bubble Cleanser by GlamGlow, another product that I got from BoxyCharm, and I'm going to be using the facial cleansing brush attachment for this step. As you can see, the brush does spin, which is really great because it helps clean your skin very well, and I'm just going to add a little bit of the product onto the brush. You could just put it on your face first, it's just up to your personal preference, but I'm going to be moving the brush in circular motions onto my face all over just to clean it really well so that hopefully there will be no more makeup left on my face after I'm done. Whenever I'm done cleaning my face, I'm just going to rinse off the rest of the product and then move on to the next step, which is exfoliating. I'm going to be taking the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Exfoliator on the exfoliating brush from the Radiant Skincare System, and I'm going to apply it onto my face and go basically the same way I did with the cleanser all over my face. Just make sure that before you exfoliate or cleanse your skin that your face is wet. You did rinse it first, because if not, especially with exfoliating, you can have a product that is too harsh on your skin, so it's really good to have some water to dilute the product so that it is not as harsh. After I exfoliate, I'm just going to rinse my skin and pat it dry for the next step. After I clean my skin really well, I really like to go in with a toner, and I like to use a witch hazel toner, specifically this one by Thayers, because I feel like it does a really good job of hydrating my skin at the same time as clearing up my pores and tightening them a little bit. I really like this one because it's not as drying as others because it has no alcohol in it, so it does feel a little bit more hydrating than other toners that I've tried in the past. For this next step, I'm going to be using a serum. This one is the Honeymoon Glow Night Serum by Pharmacy Beauty. I really feel like serums just depend on the person and the skin and everything. I'm not a skincare expert, but I just know that I never really started using serums until I realized that my skin needed a little bit more hydration, so that's kind of why I'm using this now, just to add another layer of moisture into my skin. So this next step, I'm going to be using the Derma E Scar Gel. I like to use this because I have a few little minor scars on my face, and I think this product is really good, especially if you have tiny acne scars or just anything like that. I highly recommend it. Next up is eye cream. I really like this one by Context. It's called the Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Eye cream is really important because it helps with anti-aging and just hydration under the eyes. So the last step and best step is moisturizing. I'm using the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. I also got this from BoxyCharm, and I'm just going to rub it into my hands before I apply it all over my face just to lock in as much moisture as I can so that my face will be really hydrated whenever I wake up in the morning. And that is it for my nighttime skincare routine / get unready with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please make sure to check out the Radiant Skincare System by Duval, and make sure to use my code DAWNME2019 if you want to save 70% off. Thank you again to Duval for sending me this product and giving me this code for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know by liking and commenting, and make sure to hit the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.